aya ikdho karajamni mondo miyotere weche mag chanjo. Jatend migao mar mwandu mag buolo Hassan jogolo siem mager ne kembe madongo makunyo mwandu mag buolo e tok chike gwenge mag Nyanza. Kolose gweng ma Wichlume sub county Mabondo luoni piny owacho ok bi yiene kembe go dhi nyime gi ohala makamano ka gionge kod obok mowinjore. Jo ma bende ne oten governor ma Siaya James kaachiel gi jagoro mongire migao mar mwandu manie buolo Bet Sinjagi owacho ni dwaro nitie mondo keto kenge mowinjore neno ni otiek monj mapile e nam Lolwe ne jolupo ma bende nyayo gi obila mawuok Uganda.
There's a lot of illegal mining activities that happens in the Nyanza region. I have had a meeting with the regional police and the county commanders and others. Nimesema watu wetu wale wanaitwa artisanal miners wasiwahi guzwa, wasisumbuliwe na wasaidiwe kusonga maisha mbele. Lakini wale wakora ambao wanakuja hapa na mashine kubwa kubwa wanaingia kichaka na msituni kuchukua rasilimali ya mwananchi bila kuongea na mwananchi, bila kuongea na county government, bila kuacha rasilimali hapa, bila kuacha a shareable reasonable amount of money to the people of Siaya, we have no time for them. Right now, Governor, we are the chair of East African Community, Kenya. We'll find a way. We have to come up with a framework on how we in the East African community will be able to handle issues ya wagine wasidhulumiwe na wengine. Because our people don't go there because they love to be in the lake there. Wanapenda huko kutafuta riziki. Si ndio? So we have issues with Uganda and we must resolve them. So we need to develop a framework. I will take time and go there and see my counterpart huko, because we need to solve it once and for all.